Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into why some guys struggle to get girls to chase them. If you've ever wondered why girls aren't chasing after you, this video is for you. We'll explore the common reasons why some guys don't get pursued and how you can change that. Let's get into it. 1. Losing the spark. Don't treat her like a celebrity. One common mistake many guys make is treating girls like they're celebrities or unattainable. Remember, girls are just like us, regular people with their own lives and interests. Avoid showing excessive interest or admiration. Healthy passion in a relationship comes from balance and mutual respect. Be real and sincere with her, and just be yourself. 2. Being unavailable. Here's where your advantage starts. Believe it or not, being a bit unavailable can actually work in your favor. Focus on your own life, hobbies, and goals. Show her that you're not just someone chasing after her, but that you have a life outside of her. This naturally makes you more intriguing and desirable. Maintain independence and a sense of freedom in the relationship. 3. Be a leader. Show your values, morals, and rules. Girls are attracted to confident men with clear values. Have confidence in who you are and don't hesitate to express your beliefs and boundaries. Show her that you're a leader in your own life. Leadership isn't just about being strong. It also involves empathy, understanding, and fairness. Balance and mutual sharing are important in a relationship. 4. Stay emotionally balanced and avoid arguments. Stay cool and chill. Being overly emotional or argumentative can be a turnoff for girls. Stay calm, composed, and collected at all times. Adopt an attitude of "I don't care" when facing challenges or disagreements. This relaxed demeanor shows that you're attractive and mature. Communication and understanding are key. Try to resolve issues through open dialogue. 5. Be mysterious. Make her ask questions. Create some mystery to keep her intrigued. Don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Let her wonder and ask questions. This keeps the conversation interesting and encourages her to invest more time in getting to know you. Making discovery and learning exciting is important in a relationship. Remember, attracting girls is actually an important responsibility. It demonstrates your self-respect and confidence. Keep developing yourself and constantly renewing your skills. Don't let anything hold you back and work diligently towards your goals. Success is achieved with the right approach and attitude. So, those are the main reasons why girls may not be chasing you and how you can change that dynamic. Avoid idolizing girls, being overly available, or being too emotional, and you'll naturally become more attractive and intriguing. Remember, acting with confidence and sincerity is the best way to attract the right people into your life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.